Welcome to the Craft Catalog, where small budgets turn into big possibilities. Today's adventure starts in one of the most unexpected places, the Dollar Tree. It's amazing how a few wooden pieces from the budget aisle can completely transform a room when you look at them with fresh curiosity. So let's explore 5 simple wood projects that look surprisingly expensive, even though each one begins with something incredibly affordable. Our first project starts with the idea of elevating something ordinary. Picture a small wooden tray, nothing fancy at first glance. But once you place it on a coffee table or bathroom counter, it suddenly feels like a designer accent. That's the magic of wood. Even when it's inexpensive, the natural grain instantly brings warmth and elegance. The curiosity spark here comes from asking, what happens when we treat a small object like a luxury item? The answer is that it starts to look like one. The second project plays with height and shadow. Imagine taking a simple wooden block and turning it into a small riser for candles, plants, or seasonal decor. The moment an object sits just a little higher than everything around it, the entire scene feels styled. This tiny change creates a surprising sense of sophistication, especially when grouped with items you already own. It challenges you to notice how structure and elevation shape visual appeal. The third project is all about transformation. Dollar Tree wood boxes often look plain, but their shape has incredible potential. When you stack them, flip them, or position them creatively, they form miniature display units that resemble specialty store decor. The curiosity arises when you begin experimenting with their orientation. Suddenly, a simple box becomes a shelf, a centerpiece base, or even a decorative accent that looks custom crafted. Project 4 explores the idea of texture. Dollar Tree wood signs and plaques may appear basic, but their flat surfaces act like blank canvases. When placed in a room, their natural wood tone brings an inviting warmth that blends beautifully with modern, rustic, or minimalist decor. What makes this feel expensive is not complexity but restraint. Clean lines and organic material create a polished, intentional look. Finally, Project 5 uses one of the most overlooked wood items, the tiny wooden shapes. When arranged on frames, jars, or trays, they add dimension without overwhelming the design. These tiny details catch light in a way that makes the whole piece feel elevated. It's fascinating how something so simple can suddenly look boutique level once it's given a clear purpose. These 5 projects remind us that luxury isn't always about cost. Often it's about perception, placement, and the curiosity to see potential in overlooked materials. When you take something inexpensive and treat it with intention, it becomes a stylish addition to your home. Thanks for exploring today's Dollar Tree wood makeover ideas. Stay tuned for more creative inspiration inside the Craft Catalog, where imagination always leads the design.